Channeltech is not just a company, it is a dream. It is a dream that my father nurtured with a lot of heart and soul.
Welcome to Channeltech, where precision and innovation meet craftsmanship.
Hi, my name is Shah and I'm the Managing Director for Channeltech Systems Private Limited. Channeltech is a design company which specializes in advanced LAN cables which are meeting not just today's requirement but also tomorrow's requirement. We believe in quality, we believe in delivering the highest performance, innovation and sustainability.
It was 1985 when I thought of putting one wire drawing factory and slowly transit into the enameled wire. केबल इंडस्ट्री में चैनल टेक का नाम बड़ा करना मेरा ख्वाब था और इसके कारण हार्ड वर्क करके हमने उसको केबल इंडस्ट्री में डिफरेंट दिखाया.
Our cables do more than transmit signals. They carry your trust, ensuring safety, security, and uninterrupted performance.
There is immense competition in this space, with very large players dominating this space. In spite of all these challenges, Channeltech today is regarded as a leader in delivering high-performance, critical, special LAN cables.
Whether it's protecting homes, connecting businesses, or empowering industries, Channeltech Cable stands at the heart of it all.
We invested heavily in the production machinery. We established lab testing equipment, latest network analyzer to ensure the electrical performance of the LAN cable, which is very crucial parameter in the LAN cable.
We at Channeltech believe that cables are not just for connections, it is for building trust. A trust which is built across decades, a legacy that we want to leave for our future. And this is the motivation which keeps us going to excel and deliver our best.
Channeltech, the best is yet to come.
Channeltech, connecting India to the future.